Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Autumn. Tonight I'm going to be sharing with you guys our nighttime routine. This is going to be a solo mommy nighttime routine. My husband is in the army, so I spend a lot of nights doing the routine by myself. We have two little girls, Skylar and Scarlett. Skylar is our oldest, she's 3 years old. Scarlett is our youngest, she's 1, and we're currently expecting our baby boy in December. So I would love it if you would stick around and hit that red subscribe button down below. There's going to be a lot of fun videos coming up here real soon. So around 5 o'clock, this is when our nighttime typically begins. This is when I'll start making dinner for myself and the girls. Tonight I'm making myself a Green Chef meal, and thank you so much, Green Chef, for sponsoring today's video. Green Chef offers a variety of meal plans. We chose the carb conscious plan. That's just what works for our family. You can choose whatever works for your family. One reason I really love Green Chef is not having to plan out my meals. They make that super easy for me. I really don't enjoy planning out my meals, so having all the ingredients coming pre-prepared and delivered right to my door is so easy and convenient. Tonight I'm going to be making the Boom Boom shrimp bowls, and let me tell you what, these were so good. I have 2 little ones, soon to be 3 little ones, and they need my attention, so being able to only spend 30 minutes in the kitchen is perfect, because that's about how long these meals take to make. So it's just super easy and helpful to be able to prepare these gourmet style meals in about 30 minutes or less. While I'm making dinner for myself and the girls, Skylar's normally playing with something. Tonight she wanted to play with some Play-Doh. She's really been into Play-Doh lately. Scarlett is still down for her nap, but she's getting ready to wake up, as you're going to see here in a minute. She normally wakes up around 5 o'clock, which is like perfect because I can get everything in the oven, whatever I need to do before she wakes up.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life.
Tonight for the girls' dinner, I'm also keeping it very simple for their meal. We're just going to do one of these pizzas, and while it is in the oven, I'm going to get this some blueberries, some strawberries, and a string cheese just to hold them over while I'm finishing up making my dinner. Right here it is. It looks amazing. I can't wait to try it. I feel like a chef. This was just so easy to make, and it is gorgeous. I can't wait to try it and see what it tastes like. But if you guys want to try out Green Chef, I'll have a code up here on the screen, also down below, for you guys to check out. Go ahead and give Daisy her food and water so that way she can be eating while we are. And I try to finish eating before the girls finish eating, and most of the time I do because they're very slow eaters, and that way it gives me time to clean up the kitchen while they're still finishing up their food. One thing I do while I cook is I like to clean as I cook. Let me know in the comments below. Do you clean as you cook, or do you leave everything for the end? So I like to clean as I cook, so that way I only have to put the dishes in the dishwasher, wipe down the countertops, and I'm going to turn on the robot vacuum, and that's about it. After the girls finish dinner, they will just go play with something. They have this little playroom cave that I made for them. I love how it turned out, and they have so much fun in here. But while they're playing and they are content with each other, I'm going to go upstairs and get everything ready for their bath. It just makes it so easy when it's just me. It's just to go up here, get everything ready for their bath, get their clothes laid out, get all the toys ready to play with, and lay out the towels, lay out the diapers, do all of that stuff, so that way we're one step ahead of the game.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like.
While the girls are in the bath, I always take this as an opportunity to put a load of clothes in the wash, because the washer and dryer is right there near the bathroom. So if anything happens, I will hear them. So I go ahead and throw a load of clothes in the wash, and then finish up their bath and get them dressed for bed. These are the current products that we are using. I love Tubby Todd's Everyday Lotion, and then I've just been using this Organic Sleep. I got it at Target, and the girls really love putting it on. I don't know if it really does anything. Kind kind of tricks me sometimes into thinking it works because I'll forget to put it on and they won't sleep good. So I always try to remember to put this on, and they really, really love it. Then I just head back into the bathroom after I get both the girls dressed and ready for bed and clean up the bathroom a little bit. I like to let out the water and pick up all of their toys, and that's about it. This little toy catcher is amazing. It's from Target. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. But while we're in here, I go ahead and get both the girls' teeth brushed and brush out their hair. We are using the Tubby Todd toothpaste and the Tubby Todd detangler. Both of these are amazing. If you get one product from Tubby Todd, you have to get their detangler or their conditioner. Both of them I highly recommend.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving.
And then I like to have Scarlett in bed between 7 and 7:30, so we're just going to head downstairs and get both of the girls' drinks ready. Scarlett gets whole milk and Skylar gets a little bit of juice with a lot of water. And I'm just going to add in her medicine because we have been giving both the girls allergy medicine before bed. So I put Skylar's in her cup, and then I'll give Scarlett's to her once she's in her crib.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else.
Once I get Scarlett to bed, I always like to do something special with Skylar, whether that's 10 minutes or 30 minutes. Tonight she wanted me to watch some Elsa and Anna with her, so that's what we're doing. We're just going to cuddle for a little bit and watch one of her shows. I always like to just spend a little bit of extra time with her because Scarlett wakes up before Skylar, so I always get a little bit of time with her in the mornings. So I like to take advantage of my time with Skylar in the evenings. And then Skylar goes to bed between 8 and 8:30. She always tells me when she's ready to go to bed. She'll say, "Mom, I am tired and I'm ready to go to bed." So I just wait until she tells me, because if not, then it's going to be a hassle. So we'll just go to her room. I'll pray with her, lay her down, give her her cup, and she'll go to sleep. She is a really good sleeper. Tonight she just wanted some extra loving from Mama, so I stayed in there with her for a little bit. And that is pretty much it for my nighttime routine solo with 2 kids. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more what happens after this, what my nighttime routine kind of looks like, what I do after the kids go to bed, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.